Hi, how are you going? I'm really pleased that we're here to join you today. I'm Pauline from Pauline's Quilters World, and what I want to show you today is the gorgeous jelly roll circular bag we've made. Look how gorgeous this is. Imagine going shopping with this when we're allowed to go shopping, but isn't it sweet? It's a real darling. You can make it as big or as small as you like, and we're going to use a jelly roll. We've used one of Wacky Jackie Batik jelly roll packs, and we've opened the pack, we've joined all the strips on the diagonal so you've got one huge big long strip of fabric. We then use the rainbow batting. It's a cotton batting, and we just simply lay that over the top of the fabric. And we're going to go straight to our sewing machine, because all we're going to do is fold these ends in. We're going to use our Jelly Roll Sasher tool. Well, we've designed this specially to be able to fit this thickness through. And if you know all about our tools, you know we've got all different sizes with all different size splits for specific purposes. So feed this through. Now we'll just do a little bit of an adjustment here. Pull it down about 3 or 4 inches to give yourself a good start. Then we're going to go to our sewing machine. We're going to fold this in half, just like so. Put this under the pressure foot of the machine with the needle down to anchor it. Then sit with your jelly roll in your lap and your batting coming up off the floor, and you're just going to keep pulling the tool down to fold the fabric. So you're going to pull, fold and stitch in 1/4 of an inch. And you're going to continue stitching all the way down, just like this little ball is. You can see where we've stitched all the way down 1/4 inch in, and it's a great thing to use your 1/4 inch foot here so that you get an actual even stitch line. We've just tied this up in a little bundle, but roll it up into a ball. It's a lot easier to control. Then we're going to start winding this together, and under the foot of the machine we're going to start stitching, but this can be quite difficult to get your circular piece done. So it is a good idea, like what we do. We use the Roxanne glue basted. We put little dots of glue along the edge here, and at the ironing board just fold this and set the glue, and do about the first 2 or 3 rounds gluing it. Then go to your machine and start zigzagging. And that's all it is just rolling and zigzagging, rolling and zigzagging. If you have a stitch in the ditch foot, we do advise using that, because you want that little ledge that comes through the centre of the foot to sit right in the middle of that little gap there. Then make up some handles, the same thing. Put them back through the tool, but this time we're using the bag strappers. And we've got these in all different sizes so that you can make any size handle you want. We've got the batting inside, we've put it through the bag strapper, then we use one of our regular tools just for fabric. We've made this one, we lay it over the top and glue it in place, then top stitch it. Then after we did that, we came back and we stitched that in half. So now you've got this lovely handle, it's got the trim on the side. There's so many exciting things you can do with our tools, and we do have the pattern. So don't worry, it's not a full demonstration here, but the pattern will show you exactly how to put it all together. So if you hop onto our website and have a look, you're going to see a really nice little package there for you, the circle jelly roll bag pattern and the jelly roll tool. But you can always add on your bag strappers, the glue, or anything, the batting, whatever you want to add on, it's all there on our website for you. So please join us on www.pqw.com.au, and do just subscribe to our newsletter, because we want to send you out all of this wonderful information of things we've got coming up.